Balik tayo.
Hi.
Hello. Gusto mo pa rin? Kamu lang.
Please release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. The ways our lives would be seen. Release me and let me love again.
I have found a new love, dear, and I will always want her dear. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. Release me, my darling, let me go.
Please release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. The ways my life would be a sin. So release me and let me love again.
Please release me, can't you see? You've been a fool to cling to me, to live a life would bring us pain. So release me and let me love again. Let me go.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.